Alright.
Okay, welcome to Little Special Cooking Show. Today, I will be making rolls. I think I just heard a pop. I did hear a pop. Are you getting it? Let me get your toe. Let me get your toe. I'm catching the toe. We're gonna make fingers.
Do you need a little help?
Don't worry, this won't take long. It won't take long. If I'm unroll.
Twist. Take that side and twist it.
And now I will twist the bone. Like this. And I'm going to get it out. Then I take a toe. I take a toe. I take a toe when I'm done twisting. Like this. I got it. You're getting the kitchen.
Hold this for a second.
I think I got it.
I'm trying to help you, so hold this for just a second.
I'm a little with pencil. This is gonna be one stupid thing. Hey! Here, hold it. Hold it, Bella. Hold it. Hold it. You're not the cook.
I know, it broke. I'm trying to make sure that it's okay.
I'm supposed to do that. I'm the
Okay,
cook.
now unroll the dough.
Now I will unroll the dough with my very paws. I might have to move it a little. I'm moving the bowl to make it some room. Make it some room, please. Make it some room, please.
Hold on. Now, roll it down this way.
See how I'm simply pressing it down? Ah, shit, it broke.